I have this whole intro and I never know how to start my videos. Hello everybody and welcome to another video. So I all of a sudden got really interested in learning everything that I can about 60s style in my jammies. It kind of started seriously when I saw this Devon Crimson TikTok, which she has like an everyday 60s aesthetic, 60s 70s. And I don't know, like I saw that TikTok and I was like I need to know more. I spent a big chunk of yesterday on Instagram scrolling through the 60s tag, the 1960s, and then different like 60s icons like Twiggy and Jean Shrimpton and other people. Watched a whole lot of YouTube videos, just felt really inspired and interested to try it out. And I wouldn't be able to ordinarily, especially in lockdown. It's not like I can go thrift shopping, but I decided to have a squiz through my mom's wardrobe, and it turns out that my mom's closet is a gold mine for 60s clothes, which she was a little offended about because I think she thought I was calling her clothes old-fashioned, but really cool kids are calling it vintage, mom. But yeah, I just got really excited and I like doodled out all these outfits that I could wear, and I have so many ideas. So I figured that I would do a little kind of style challenge. I don't really know what form it's gonna take yet, but like attempting to dress vintage for X amount of time. Excuse me. So I have an outfit planned for today, and I'm scared that it's not gonna look 60s at all. I'm scared it's just gonna look weird, but I think I'm gonna get better the more of it I do. So let's get started with my first look today. Let's go. Alrighty everyone, here's the first look. Okay, so I'll talk you through it a little bit. So I'll start with the makeup. It's just sort of like one purple shade swept over the lid, a darker shade quite round through the crease, so not pulling up and out like I normally would with like modern makeup, but like down towards the corners of my eye. I also did this little downwards flick with my eyeliner. I first drew in the little bottom lashes with eyeshadow and a skinny little angled brush, and then I followed the shape of that with my eyeliner. I'm wearing a nude, kind of warm-toned lipstick, very blushy cheeks right on the apples. I used a very pink toned blusher, some bronzer. I didn't actually put highlight on. Oops. Anyway, I've got these little button earrings on. They're quite, you know, graphic and again shapes, and the carry through of the purple color. Then I'm wearing this shirt of my mom's, and it is a shirt, so it's like real short. So yeah, it's really short, it's not ideal. I'm wearing these little hot pants underneath. Then I'm wearing these little black booties, which are also my mom's. Everything in this outfit is my mom's. I don't have any hairspray right now, which makes the hair situation kind of difficult. I did tease it underneath all that, and I curled up the ends. It's not staying in place too well because, again, I don't have hairspray. Anyway, oh, I also have this purple coat. Sorry, I forgot. I don't really know about the shape of it. It's coming out kind of blue on camera, which is weird because it's very purple. So yeah. So one final update. I have added this velvet skirt underneath, just to make it a little bit more wearable. I don't like the silhouette as much. Like, I wish this top was long enough to be a dress. Also, in case you were wondering, this is what it would look like with a belt, just in case you were curious. Hello, it's day 2. There's a guy mowing the lawn over there, but I love this look today, and the fun thing about it is that except for the coat, everything that I'm wearing is actually mine, which is fun because on day one everything that I was wearing was my mom's. I haven't accessorized as much yet. I might still do to take some pictures. I tried my best to replicate an eye look that was on Twiggy. I'll put it up on screen. I feel like a beatnik chick. I feel like I have some slam poetry to recite. Another thing that's kind of funny is the shoes. They're on my feet right now. I'll put a clip of them up. They're really ratty and scruffy because I bought them at a hospice shop, but I love the shape of them. They're so chunky and kind of ugly. The shoes I was wearing yesterday, my mom's ones, they're so like clean and sleek, and I think both of those looks are pretty cool. I happen to really like the scruffy look, and I think it's very me. So I did still do Twiggy lashes. Very faintly, and I didn't do too much eyeliner today. It's actually just a little bit of eyeshadow brushed along. Good morning. So some things to report before I get into day 3. This is a method of heatless hair curling that I used to do when I was much younger. I'm not confident that it's gonna work because my hair is much shorter. I used to have very long hair when I was little. It'll definitely curl, I just don't know if it'll look nice. Also, there are some parts that were just too short to get into the curlers. I'll probably just heat curl them, which is fine because this is mostly my natural hair anyway, and it's mostly my ends that I'm worried about heat curling. So this is what it looks like now that I've taken the curlers out. Another update. I actually low-key love the texture of these curls. Yeah, I could not get the back of my neck hair to curl at all, like no matter what I did. So I literally just pinned it up, just tied it away, pretend it's not there. Alright, so this is the completed day 3 look. I love this look. I would definitely wear it. I'm not sure if I'm getting across the 60s vibe. What I was going for was kind of like a Jimi Hendrix, loosely inspired. Beaded waistcoats were definitely a thing. The little neck scarf, layered some jewelry. This is a really beautiful necklace, by the way, of my mom's. And then corduroy pants. Maybe if the flare was a little bigger, it'd have been a little more 60s, but I really like the corduroy and the fit of them anyway, being kind of straight leg. And in general, this outfit makes me feel really masculine and cool, which I really enjoy because the previous 2 days have been very feminine. But yeah, for makeup I kept it pretty light. I did use some white eyeliner on my lashes to make them just a little bit more graphic and cool, and I added a couple of freckles in addition to my freckles, but I don't know if that did too much. But yeah. Hello, it's day 4, and I didn't get much of a clip of this outfit because my camera died and I didn't feel like dealing with it. But this is the look. I was kind of going for like a retro futuristic vibe from that 60s like space obsession phase. I kind of recreated a makeup look I found on Instagram, and I added some little face jewels. The hair is crazy. I know I wanted to make it kind of weird. Oh, gecko. Ran right at me. What are you doing? Blush under my fingernail. I'm really glad you guys didn't see me do this the first time when I was literally pouring makeup remover straight onto my skirt and then using that to wipe off the eyeliner. Hello, this is me editing. This is for a different video, but I did just want to get on and film an outro because I forgot to. But I really enjoyed this 60s style challenge. Yeah, I love just getting inspired by new styles. It certainly won't become my everyday dress, but yep, that's me. Can't commit to any one aesthetic. I wouldn't want to either. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you like me and want to see more from my channel, you can click the subscribe button down below, and I make new videos. Well, just wait and see. Thanks again for watching, everybody. I love you. Bye.